Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'll be sharing with you guys the latest update on Bttc. Okay, previously I made video concerning this platform Bttc that if you are mining that you can stop mining, and however on that video I equally laid a disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, but I also told my viewers that as for me that I have stopped mining. But now there is no update on the platform, and this update is kind of overwhelming, and that is the reason why I'm updating you guys. Let's see if we can benefit from this, and I'll also show you guys how you can actually participate for this the new update. But before I proceed, guys, my name is Legit Boss, aka Sparky, or you can call me Sparky, aka Legit Boss. Anyone, they are all my name. If you're new to this channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel, how you make money with your smartphone every day. So if you're an online hustler, you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out is to hit on the subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with latest updates. Okay, so guys, what is the latest update here on this USDT? So as you can see, the latest update is that heavy benefits are coming. BTTC million members carnival ceremony. Dear BTTC family, congratulations to BTTC for breaking through the million airdrop membership mark. To express our gratitude for every trust and support along the way, we sincerely offer three surprises benefits. Number one, speedy withdrawal channel on May 16th. Please take note, if you are mining BTTC on May 16th, so that this is the latest update that I'm sharing with you guys. If you are actually mining on this platform, take note of this. So which means our USDT will be withdrawn. When I finish reading this news, then I will now show you guys the USDT which will be available for withdrawal on that day. Then I will show you how you can accumulate it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Then number one, speedy withdrawal channel on May 16th. The USDT withdrawal channel will be opened on time, allowing the income to be credited immediately. 2. Exclusive benefit for burning. User who participated in burning can enjoy the privilege of USDT withdrawal without mining fees and easily achieve zero cost withdrawal. VIP levels, renewal. No. We don't need this one. The one we need, the one we need is the USDT withdrawal. So let me show you guys. You can actually read it yourself if you are mining on this platform. I share this update. I think it should be last month, or let me, if I'm not mistaken, it should be last month because this is May. So click on your profile. When you click on your profile, this is the USDT they're talking about here. Okay, this is the USDT they're talking about, as you can see here. That's the USDT they're talking about. Then how do you earn it? How do you accumulate it aside the mining? You'll see this place here, team. When you click on team, that is what qualifies you for this USDT. So you invite your friends. You invite they have the number of friends you can invite to get this USDT. So I think they have the number of friends you can invite. You invite one friend, you qualify. You invite two friends, you qualify. Something like that. A lot of things. Okay, look at it here. Number of guests. Look at it here. Number of guests. So if you invite one friend, you will be eligible for 10 USDT. Then if you invite 5 friends, you'll be eligible for 25 USDT. Then if you invite 100 guests, that's if you invite 100 friends, you'll be eligible for 500 USDT. Then if you can invite 200 friends, you'll be eligible 200 USDT, which will give you almost 1005 USDT, as you can see here on my own dashboard. I have it here ready, but we don't know if they are going to pay this money. They just said 16, so I will still update you guys on 16 if they're actually going to pay us this morning or not, because we don't actually know. They just announce it, and that is the news we have gotten, and that is the reason why I have decided to share it with you guys, because we cannot say it's verified now, but this is the announcement, this is the information. If you come to the homepage, you will see it yourself. However, please, this is warning to everyone watching this video from Legit Boss. Please, on no condition will you invest on this platform. In case they come up and say we should invest or we should deposit before we can withdraw, please do not deposit. This is disclaimer and this is warning to everyone watching this video. However, I remain Legit Boss, and if anything comes up, I will also notify you guys. That is the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel, so that you will not miss out the latest updates coming from me on this channel. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, and then if you are not in any of my group, make sure to join our Telegram group. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. So after watching this video, you can join our Telegram group for more business updates like this. Thank you. And then don't forget, please, a lot of people don't really know the current news on BTCC. So this video will really help them get the information. You can share this video, use the share button to spread this video across social media platforms, so that a lot of people will get to view the video and then know what is on board on BTCC platform. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If you have another question, the comment section is widely open for you. You can comment there and then answer. Then you may be asking, before I forget, you may be asking, can I continue mining? Please, like I said, as for me, I am not mining. No, I am not mining. The reason is because the mining, this thing has changed. The mining rate has changed. You can even mine from now till tomorrow, from now till 1 month. You will not get up to $1. So that is the reason why me I quit the mining. But the one I'm expecting on the 16th is this their USDT. Do you understand? So we are waiting patiently for the 16th of May, so that we know if they're actually going to pay us or not. I will update you guys on this channel. Okay, thank you.